State Bank of India previous year based max questions. A sum 3680 is invested at 12.5% simple interest for 6 years. Here asking about the total amount payable on maturity. Understand the word amount. Clear? Underline the word amount and understand the concept of amount. Amount means principal plus interest. Question: principal is 12.5%. That is nothing but 12 and half. 12 and half means 25 by 2. 6 years. 100. PTR by 100. Clear? 25 4 times. 2 3 times. 4 9 times. 2 times. 0 times. 3 into 0. G. 0. 6. 27. Here asking about the amount. It is interest and the principal is 3680. 0 4 4 6. Third option. Next question. In this question, it is not into 2, it is whole square. Clear? In this type of question, I discussed two concepts. First one is, if options is not like this, only one root is there. Only one root is there. That is nothing but 9 by 441 by 9. 4 times, 9 times, x plus 9 whole square equal to 49. X plus 9 equal to 7 plus 7 or minus 7, not 7, plus or minus 7. Take x equal to 7 minus 9, minus 2 one option, minus 7 and minus 9, minus 16. It is one type. And another concept is, I can write like this, x plus 9 whole square equal to 49. I'm expanding this, x square, 18x plus 81 equal to 49, x square plus 18x minus 41, 11 minus 2, 2, 32. Here one root is 2, obviously 16 into 2, it is plus symbol, minus 16 comma minus 2. Choose whatever your wish, but this is the best method for solving the question very quickly. And the next question is, in a group of students, the number of girls 3/4 of the number of boys. Girls, boys. 2/3 of the number of girls and one half the number of boys like mango juice. Then what fraction of the total number of girls, boys like mango juice? Here number of girls is equal to 3/4 of the number of boys. I can write like this. It is a ratio 3:4. That is nothing but I can consider it is 300 by 400. If 2/3 of the number of girls, 2/3 of the number of girls, it is 300. In this 2/3 means 200 and one of the number of boys, 400 of means 200 like mango juice. Then what the fraction of the total number of girls and boys like mango juice? Boys and girls like mango juice is 400. Here asking the total fraction. Total how many boys and girls? 700. Boys and girls how many like juice? 400. 4 by 7. Clear? In this type of question, the perimeter of a square. We all know what is mean by perimeter of a square. 4a is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle of length 56 and breadth 42. 2 into L plus B, perimeter of a rectangle, that is nothing but 56 plus 42, 8, 98 into 2, 16, 196. 4 can be multiplied, 4 can be divided by 196 is 49. Here A means 49. Find the perimeter of a semicircle whose diameter means 2 into radius, is equal to the side of a square. Side of a square is 49. Radius equal to 49 by 2. We all know semicircle formula is 36 by 7 into r. Here r means 49 by 2. You can, before cancellation, observe one thing. 7 multiple, you can as quickly as a multiplications, you can easily solve this question by choosing the 7 multiple. Otherwise 2 18 times 6, unit digit is 6, first option. Clear? Next question. The value of this expression. First of all, before solving the question, you know BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the order for solving this type of questions. And next, must learn this BODMAS rule because in SBI Clerk preliminary, approximations or normal arithmetic calculations have 5 marks, either approximations or normal calculations. So must learn a BODMAS rule. Here 4 into 3, 12, 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. And coming to this expression, 5 into 6, 30, 6 minus 9, minus 3, plus 13, that is nothing but here into, it is minus 10 plus 13, that means 3. 12, here of 6 into 3, 18, 12 by 18 means 12 by 18 means 2 by 3, that is nothing but minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. This whole value is minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. And coming to this part, 10 by 5, 2, 5 minus 4 is nothing but 5 minus 9, 4 by 9. 5 minus 4 by 9. 1 minus 4 by 9 means 5 by 9. And coming to the next question, it is generally in a reasoning section question, but you understand the concept. Here divided by means addition, multiplication means subtraction, addition means multiplication, and subtraction means division, that is 40, 20, 6 minus 2 plus 5. You don't need not to write this type, you directly write 40 by 20 into 6 minus 2 plus 5, 2 times 12 times 12 plus 5, 17 minus 2, 15. Clear? Next, for understanding purpose, I am writing this. Step. Next, the cost of cultivating a square field at the rate of 320 per hectare. 320 per hectare. It is very important. 1 hectare means 10,000 square meters. And 320 per hectare is 2,880 rupees. Find its area. First of all, in this type of questions, what is the total cost? What is the rate per cost? Rate per cost. Here you can understand one thing. It is 32. It is 288. 38 tens are 320. Value is above, so must be it can be 38 nines. Clear? It is 9. Here find its area in hectares. 9 into 10,000. 90,000 answer. Clear? In SBI exams, generally they can ask one question from either areas or squares, triangles, and like this also, like this question also. So there is a chance in geometry for one question at least. You consider previous papers also. Here find the area of the rhombus. We all know area of the rhombus formula is of d1 d2. Here d1 d2 means diagonal. For understanding purpose, it is 48 64 directly 2 times 4 times. It is also 4 multiple, it is also 4 multiple. Answer must be 4 multiple. So in options, last two digits of all the options are 4 multiple. So definitely 4 fours are 6, unit digit also 6. So 96, 144, 3, 5, 1. Fourth option. Clear? If it is a 4 multiple in first option, you need not calculate the entire calculation process. Come on. Next question is Salman by Shahrukh. Salman and Shahrukh sir together have 950 rupees. By taking 250 from Shahrukh, Salman will have the same amount as Shahrukh already had. Find the ratio of the sums. Understand the point? Here asking about the ratio of sums. And at that Shahrukh and Salman had initially. Before solve to any question, first of all you have to know what is calculating. Here calculating the ratio of the initial sum of their value. Here I can, if Salman had x rupees, Shahrukh had 950 minus x. Clear? By taking 250 from Shahrukh, Salman will have. Initially Salman has x. By taking 250, same amount of Shahrukh already had, that is this value. We need not calculate the next procedure. We can calculate x, 2x, wait a minute, 950 minus 250, 0, 0, 700. It is already 2x, then x equal to 350. After this writing, you need not check the, if x is Salman, you need not check the Shahrukh value because Salman value is 350. It is a 7 multiple and 5 multiple also. Salman had second part in ratio. 7 part, 5 part. Options are confusing. Now you can check the Shahrukh value. 950 minus 350, 0, 0, 6. Clear? 7, it is 7 parts, it is 12 parts. 12 is to 7. Clear? Here asking about the Shahrukh and Salman. Shahrukh is this value, Salman is this value. In options, 7 is to 12 is also there. You can check what is Shahrukh and what is Salman. Clear? It is Salman and Shahrukh. They can ask the Shahrukh and Salman, that is 12 is to 7. Second option. Confusing options are there in competitive exam. Nowadays competition is very more. So please carefully. And next question is, if the 5-digit number, it is a 5-digit number, is divisible by 11 and 21, then what is the 7x minus 5y? First of all, I can tell you the procedure. It is a 5-digit number and divisible by this. So 11 and 21. LCM of 11 and 21. 11 is a prime number. So LCM must be 132, 231. Clear? And suppose I can take a largest 5-digit number. And largest 5-digit number for x and y values. It is the largest for x, largest for y. That's why I am taking x and y is the largest. Clear? If 231 is divided by this, something value can be done and the remainder value will be definitely done. If that remainder value can be subtracted from these x and y, that is 99, you get the values of x and y. This is the procedure. Now we can solve the procedure wise. Come on, 231, 505, 99. It is 231, it is 505. Obviously 2 times 2, 6, 4, 3, 4, 1. No. 4, 3, 9. Clear? It is 231. 2 times is 462. Obviously 1 time, that is nothing but 231. 8, 0, 2. It is 231. It is 2 not net. 1 9 is there. 231 tens. 2310. Above 10. Below 9. Can you check? 9, 27, 20. 2079. Come on. 9, 2079. 01. Remainder is 10. So obviously 99 minus 10. 9, 8. Here x value is 8 and y value is 9. Understand the procedure. You good at calculations, it is very easy. You can solve in another way also in shortcuts, but you know the basic. If shortcuts is not strike in a exam in a tension, so definitely it can be useful for good marks. Here 7x means 7 into 8, 56. 5y means 45. 1 1. Clear? Next one. It is a basic question, but this question has also have a logic. Come on. By selling an article item 222 rupees, a person lost 48 rupees. What is the loss? Here selling price is, then what about the cost price? There is a loss. Loss means selling price value will be less, cost price value will be more. That means cost price is adding 10, 7, 270. What is the percentage of the loss? We know that loss formula. Loss equal to, come on, loss by cost price into 100. From this, you can understand one thing. In options, all denominator have 9. Clear? So definitely 3 table 9 times, 16 times. Wait a minute. If all the denominator is 9, it is 9. 16 and 10, 9 cannot be divisible. So answer must be 9. It is 160. 1 time. 10 times will be 90. Eliminate this, eliminate this, eliminate this. This answer is correct. Clear? You observe the options and sum. It can be easily. Don't panic to the questions. If I am doing any wrong, it is not a matter for me or you are also. I can tell you what is the procedure and what are your steps to take to avoid the negative marks. You definitely be a good marks for concentrating mathematics very easily. Next question. A can do work in 15 days. B can do 1/3 work in 30 days. That means I can write here B 1/3 work in 10 days. So total B can do work in 10 into 3, 30 days. AB work for 6 days. Come on. 1 day A, 1 day B. They can work for 6 days. After this writing this step, don't go to LCM. It is 30, it is 15. By multiplication with the denominator and numerator, it is 2 by 30, it is 1 by 30. Answer will be 3 by 30. 3 by 30 means 1 by 10. 6 into 1 by 10. That is nothing but 3 by 5. Clear? And then A leaves, B complete the remaining work. What is the remaining work of 3/5? 1 minus 3/5, that is 2/5. It is a remaining work with C in 8 days. That is, I can write here B, that is these 2/5 work completes B with C in 8 days. That is, total work can be completed in 8 into 5 by 2, that is 20 days. Now coming to the question. B complete the work. B in how many days? 30. C is how many days? We don't know. B and C complete the work in 20 days. Clear? This value I can take not X, I can take C. It can be more understandable. Come on. 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. LCM is 60. 20, 30. 3 minus 2, 1 by 60. So C value must be 60. A and C can together work in how many days? A one day work 15. C one day work will be 1 by 16. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 16. LCM is 16. 4 plus 5, 5. 5 by 60 means 12. You understand the procedure first of all. If you doing any wrong in calculation for practicing more and more, you can solve the question. First of all, you understand the procedure for cracking any exam. And next one, if the rate of interest is 20% per annum and compounded half yearly. Here compounded half yearly, that means rate percent by 2. 20 by 2, 10%, and 3 by 2 years. Here time will be 3 by 2. It is compounded half yearly, means 3 years. And the sum is 4,000. You can ask the amount. Clear? Here sum P into 1 plus R by 100 time 3. I can write the formula here for better understanding. P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power time. Clear? It can be 10 by, it is 1 by 10. It is nothing but, this value is nothing but 11 by 10. 11 by 10 whole cube means 1331 by 1000. It is also 4000. 0, 0 cancel. End with unit digit 4. You can check the options. All options are there. And I can tell you one thing. It is also 11 multiple. Here the digits are interchanged. 5324, 5234, 5334. Very, very nearer. So avoid the ambiguity. Better to solve this question because it is a only 4 multiple. That's it. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 2. Eliminate, eliminate. 3, 5, 3, 2, 4. Third option. Clear? And next one, the greatest number that exactly divides. Here, greatest number that can exactly divisible. Coming to the options, I am not going to do in a procedure way. I can tell you the shortcut. It can be helpful for many questions. Taking 12. 12 can be divisible by this one 4 times. 48. 56. Not at all. 12 can be divisible. So eliminate the 12. And the next one is taking 8. 8 can be solved by this 6 times, 7 times, 1 time, 3 times, 3 times. Here also 2 times, 4 times, 1 time. 8 divisible by all the 3 numbers. So greatest number is 8. I can tell you one thing. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.